Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I want to show you how to manage your Google passwords on your Samsung Galaxy A35. We start off opening Google Chrome application. In it we must choose three dots on the right corner and there's settings option, where we have Google Password Manager, and there we can manage our Google passwords. We can click on it. Now we must enter our look screen to confirm our enter, and there we can copy our username and password using this first icon, or after we press on eyes icon our smartphone shows us password which remember. You can also share this password to someone using this app and sending to someone, or we can edit some information there by edit and tap write something new in our username, passwords or note selection. But remember, when you change something, press save. The last thing is delete our password from our device by delete and confirm by delete again. That's all, thanks for watching, bye.